Hi everybody, today I will show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. So let's begin. There are two ways to block someone on WhatsApp and I will show you both. The quickest way is directly from chat. Open the chat of the person you want to block, tap on their name at the top. It will open up their contact info page where you can scroll down at the bottom and click block that contact. Once you click block, it will open up this page where you'll have to simply click block. So it will open up a confirmation pop-up where you can click on block again and that person will be instantly blocked. Now, the second way is through settings. Tap on three-dotted icon in the top right, click settings, scroll down and navigate to privacy. From here, scroll down and navigate to contacts. Now, click on blocked accounts and click on the plus icon in the top right. Now, search for the person you want to block and that person will be instantly blocked from your WhatsApp. And once someone is blocked, they won't be able to send you messages, call you, or see any updates to your profile picture or status. And on their end, your messages will only show one tag. So they won't know for sure that they've been blocked. And if you ever want to unblock someone, just navigate to this page again, click on contacts, click on blocked accounts, and click on the contact, click unblock. And they'll be instantly unblocked. So that's how you block someone on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.